What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about AI text-to-video generation with Potato, OpenAI, and ChatGPT. I'm going to show you how you can get started creating AI text-to-videos today so you can start earning money online. Now, if you've never made money online before and you've never done AI text-to-video, don't worry, you are in the right place. We have been doing AI text-to-videos as a company for over a year now, and we get hundreds of leads and views from it. I'm going to show you how we can do everything with just one click. But before we dive in, I recommend you go to digitalplaybook.com so you can go ahead and get our checklist right here, where this will show you step by step of how to get everything set up. We have different prompts in here that I use for creating my short form content, a list of 130 plus AI tools that we can get paid to promote, also already done for you AI short form videos, and then a library with some different information. Also, as a favor, go ahead and comment yes below in the comments if you'd like me to keep you updated with more AI videos like this and how to get started with earning money with AI and how you can start creating videos with AI. So please go ahead and leave yes in the comments. So let's go ahead and dive into Potato. This is a tool that you're able to create viral posts and faceless videos. So go ahead and check it out. There is going to be a link in the description. You can also try it for free. Once you go ahead and log in, you'll get taken to a screen that kind of looks like this. So what you're able to do is you're able to create different posts, like text posts. You can get inspiration up here of just what other people are using. You can go through and sort by newest, different time ranges. There's also different prompts that it gives you to help you with different topics, whether it's for Facebook or coming up with an offer. And one of the second biggest things in here is they have a calendar where you can set up a calendar for all your different social media accounts. So everything would be in one place. It would show your published and fails post. But the main thing I'm going to be talking about in this video is the video creation with Potato. So really there's four main steps right here that I want to talk about real quick with doing anything with AI image generations. That's going to be the prompt engineering, the AI image generation itself, the editing, and then text to speech. So the good thing with Potato is all of this right here is included in this software, which makes it super easy. You don't have to go and upload this into CapCut like I've been talking about before, and this takes the time to image generation down so much. So diving in here, what I have is just a quick script. Now, how you can go about generating these different scripts is just go into ChatGPT and so I just typed create me a 100-word script about the zoo. So take that. Let's go back into Potato. Paste that here. That'd be 49 seconds. That might be a little bit too long. So take that. And down below, that's the first step, which is write a script. Then down below is choose a theme. So there's apocalyptic. I don't even know how to say that word, honestly. Cinematic, comic book, cyberpunk, dystopian. We got fantasy, futuristic, gothic, grunge, horror, mystic, noir. So there is a bunch of cool things. Let's just go with the zoo. I'm going with whimsical. I actually haven't generated anything with that one before. And the third is voices. So I've talked about it before where you have to go to 11 Labs and kind of create your voiceover. Well, this is already implemented into this software, which takes away that whole step. All these voices are the 11 Labs voices that you can get on the free version. So genders, female, different accents. So I'm just going to go with, let's go with Brian. Click Brian as the voice. And then I always just leave these the same. But if you want to, just go ahead and mess around with them. And then choose captions. I enable the voiceover. I go ahead and eliminate the watermark, and then I turn on captions as well. Middle, bottom, I'm just going to go with bottom for now. And then we're going to click draft video. So what it's doing is it's going to take you to a different screen where it's going to draft out different sections to where you're able to go back over, make little tweaks to the script, make it to your liking. I really like this because sometimes when you create something in full, you're not able to edit it, and this allows you to edit it or make changes as needed. So once it's loaded up, as you can see, the prompt engineering is already done for you by Blotato just by putting in that little script. So what it's doing is this is what the voiceover is going to be like, and this is the text to image prompt right here. Look how detailed this is. Now when it creates this, obviously if you want to get detailed, you can change everything up, but from my use of this, these are perfectly fine. As we can see right here, it allows you to do different things. Like this is just a typical image with zoom. You can do animated clips, and then even a whole video clip. And this is just like if you want the best text, best realistic, everything. I just normally keep it with the cheapest. Over here on the left, we can see there's 3 or 5 different scenes. I can't even count. And if you want, you can add another shot, but I just keep this the same, because if you were to add another shot, you would need to create a whole prompt. And I just like the ones that it keeps. Go up here to delete it, delete the shot. Yep. So now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and hit generate, and it's going to generate all of these together. And you're going to be able to see them appear down here. So if you've been following me for the last couple months, I've been using Replicate to generate videos of myself, and then I have to take them into CapCut to edit them, then add the captions in CapCut as well. This does this all in Blotato. So as you can see, it's already generated. It was super quick. Didn't even have to pause this. We're going to go to export. And what it's going to do is it's going to pop it up right here, and then you're going to be able to save it, and then boom, you can schedule it from here. What I'm still doing, because I have so much content already scheduled out in my CRM, is I'm probably just going to start putting them in here to eliminate the whatever, to eliminate me, saving it and all that stuff. So I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear this, but let's go ahead and just watch this really quick.
Welcome to the zoo where adventure awaits. Today we're diving into the diverse world of wildlife. From the mighty lions to the playful monkeys, every corner offers a new discovery. Watch as giraffes gracefully munch on leaves, while colorful parrots soar above. Learn about the endangered species we're working hard to protect.
So look how quick and easy that was. One thing you might be thinking is, I've seen so many better AI generated videos and whatnot, but one thing I want to bring to attention is that how quickly we were able to do that. So if you think about it, you're able to pump out, I don't know, let's just go 10 videos in not even an hour. Terrible typing, not even an hour. And one thing with social media and attention is I've seen that volume negates luck. So if you're pumping out, 30, 40 different videos like this and posting them on different accounts, it's inevitable that one is going to get more views than the other. Now, it could be you getting two views, 5 views, then one gets 200 views. So that's all it is. It's just getting attention, traffic, eyeballs, whatever you want to, however you want to say that. So once you would have this, download it. Now, you're about to go through this process with me because I haven't actually scheduled anything out on this calendar before. So we'll go ahead and see. How do I set up my calendar? Sources. I don't know. I need to figure that out, but I'm not going to figure that out. But now the next part is, well, we're creating all these videos. Now, how are we going to make money with it? So the link in the description gives you the digital playbook right here. And all these tools right here, you're able to get paid to promote. Even Blotato right here, which is that faceless image generation. So what you could do is you could take these videos right here that you're creating, grab your affiliate link. So to become an affiliate for Blotato, you'll just go down here to settings. It's going to take you to, it should take you to another screen. Let's go to help. So click on help and then go right here, click affiliate, and then boom, you'll join the affiliate here. And then you will get a link that looks like this right here. Let's open it up so you can see my link. You'll get a link that looks like this. And this is the link that you're going to be able to drive traffic to so you can start generating sales. So when someone signs up and they go from the free to one of the paid, you will get a commission. And to my correct, it's 50% commission on this tool, which is really good. A lot of people do like 40% or 30%, but 50 is really good. But also, if you want to check out how I'm able to set up and automate all this different things, just go ahead and go through this checklist right here. You don't need to get Go High Level, but I suggest it because it helps you automate and systemize everything. And then your volume shouldn't be an excuse because I have 700 different short form videos right here. The only thing that you're going to need to do is just edit at least these, edit them together and put caption over them, and then just start posting them on different social media accounts. But go ahead and start taking action. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this tool is helpful. It's definitely helpful for me. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.